Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Netflix for free. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and search Download Netflix Mod by APK Folks. Tap on the first search result. Then scroll down. And tap Download Now. Tap Download. When the APK is installed, open it. Allow and accept the permissions. And that's how you get Netflix for free. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.